Okay, welcome to this training. In this video, I want to show you how you can easily remove your video background using CapCut. And it's a very simple one. So I have my video here now. So what you need to do is to drag your video to the timeline. Okay, drag it to the timeline. And then, so that's the video. And I recorded that with a background, right? Okay, so now you select the video in the timeline, then you go to your right side, you see remove background. So there are two options. If you have a green screen, you can use the chroma key. So if you select the chroma key, green screen or any type of screen that you have. So you can use a color picker to pick the color that you have used. Okay, and my favorite is the auto remover that uses the AI tool to remove, to sense the color and then remove. So I'll take this off. So I use this auto removal and then it will start processing. As you can see, it's processing on the side. On the other side, I have quite a lot going on my system, so the processing may be a little bit slow. But once the processing reaches 100%, it will remove this background. So while it's processing, you can see that a section of the background has been removed. So you can also add another background to it if you like. You can add another background to your image. So as you can see, I can drag this below the image, drag the background below it, and then fill up the section of the video. So as you can see, the background has been removed and the video now has a new background. Lovely. So this is how to remove the background of your video in CapCut. See you another time. Bye for now.